Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making boho tassels with dollar store mop heads and unicorn spit. That's right, mop heads. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some boho tassels. Unicorn spit is great for dyeing fabric. Just make sure that you set it with a little bit of spray lacquer. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I will see you next week. Bye.